How to delete general chat in Telegram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete general chat in Telegram. But before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First step, open up your Telegram. After you open up your Telegram, you can then head over to any chat. So after you head over to any chat, what you can then do to delete it is tap on the top right corner. And after you tap on the top right corner, there you will see the chat info. Tap on the more option. And what you can do is simply tap on clear message. After that, you can clear it for both of you guys, or you can simply clear it for you. So I'll just clear all of these for both of us. And after 4 or 2 seconds, the chat will get cleared, and that's basically deleting a general chat. Now, what you can also do is you can simply swipe left like this on that very chat and then tap on delete. Again, you can choose to delete it either for you or for both of you. I'll just delete the chat for me, and there we go. And that's how you can delete general chat in Telegram. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.